Is your external component the Excel Data Reader module DLL not found? I'm Sophie Chen, a Windows support engineer. I'm here to help you re-establish Excel Data Reader links. To start the walkthrough for Excel Data Reader module, you can follow my technical guide or use a utility designed to optimize your system configuration. This is the Excel Data Reader module, a popular lightweight .NET library for reading Excel files without having Microsoft Office installed. It handles the localized parsing of BIFF and OpenXML formats. If missing, specialized data export or automated reporting tools will crash citing an assembly load failure, preventing the app from processing spreadsheet data. With the explanation out of the way, let's refresh the affected files. The Excel Data Reader module, DLL module, is a localized part of the Excel Data Reader integration, and you should reinstall the specific application that is failing to launch to ensure this internal library is correctly restored. When the primary installation path fails, a more surgical approach to checking your system's environmental variables is required. A standard reboot clears out temporary memory conflicts and gives the Windows loader another chance to properly register the Excel Data Reader module component during startup. Before you restart, bookmark this video or hit the like button. It makes it much easier to find this tutorial in your history so you can pick up exactly where we left off. Now that the system has rebooted, if the issue persists, let's move on to our next level of troubleshooting. Feel free to pause the video if you need a moment. Rebooting didn't restore the monitoring tools, so let's run a command to reset the performance indicators. First, open command prompt as admin. Second, you're going to type lodctr/R, then hit enter. Why are we doing this? Well, these files rarely suffer from physical corruption. Instead, their registration in the performance hive becomes desynced. This command purges those stale entries and rebuilds the registry links. From a systems engineering perspective, there is one major security pitfall I need to help you avoid. Technical warning: many online file mirrors provide versions of Excel Data Reader module DLL that are either corrupted or intentionally modified, putting your privacy at risk without resolving the underlying execution error. A verified diagnostic utility can help manage the ongoing restoration and health of your system's library ecosystem. Maintain a more reliable system by reviewing the software resource below related to managing Excel Data Reader module library references. To ensure you always have a professional diagnostic path for Excel Data Reader module or system errors, hit the subscribe button and keep this channel in your toolkit.